Now, before we switch back over to the app, the last thing I want to show you in the desktop view here is the Fidelity Robo Advisor. To get to that, you're going to hover over Planning and Advice, and then you have the Robo Investing Plus Advice here. So we're going to click on that, and this brings us over to the page here for the Fidelity Go Robo Advisor. So if you're looking to invest in a diversified manner without doing all of the picking and choosing of investments yourself, this Fidelity Robo Advisor is a really popular option. So a few details here about this is there is no advisory fee for balances under $25,000. So if you're just starting out, that's actually a benefit here because you're not going to pay any advisory fees. Now, once you have a balance of $25,000 or more, you're going to pay a 0.35% advisory fee, which is still a lot less than you'd be paying for a in-person financial advisor, for example. Now, you will still pay an expense ratio associated with the mutual funds and ETFs that are going to be in your portfolio. So the advisory fee is in addition to that, but it comes with the benefit here of not having to manage your portfolio. If you scroll down here, you can learn about how they build these strategies to meet your goals, for example. So you're going to fill out information about your risk tolerance, and that's going to change the diversification of your portfolio. So if you're looking for a more conservative approach, that would be a lot of money in bonds, a small amount in stocks, and then some amount here in short-term investments or bonds, whatever that may be in that category. Or let's say you were looking for a very aggressive approach, that would be 70% domestic, 30% foreign stocks, and nothing in bonds. And if you were middle of the road, that's something similar to what your portfolio might look like. And it will also adjust this over time as you approach retirement or whatever the goal is that you set. So this is something you might want to check out yourself after you dive into the Fidelity platform if you want help with managing your money.